Hi guys, in this video we will see how to set a time limit for your Facebook uses. If you want to set a time limit, day limit or night limit on your Facebook app on your iPhone or Android, here are the process. Open Facebook app on your device, iPhone or any other device, go to your profile icon and here tap on three horizontal line against top left corner. Tap on it. Here scroll down and look for privacy settings and privacy. Tap on it. Here scroll down and you will find the option your time on Facebook. Tap on your time on Facebook settings. Here your time on Facebook page is available and various type of tools available. See your time. Tap on it and you can see average time you spent per day using Facebook in the past 7 days. You will see a time you have spent on your Facebook app. You will see activity log also available. So you can easily change a daytime versus nighttime. Algorithm also available here. How much time you have spent in day and night. So this is the second tool, daytime and nighttime. Go back and here manage your time. Tap on it. Sleep mode off. Tap on sleep mode. Enable the features, mute notifications and get a reminder to stop using Facebook during certain hours. Enable this feature, turn the toggle button on and you can set a time limit, a start time, end time, and also you can choose days. If you want to change it, simply tap on the time, start time and end time, and tap on save. For example, go back and some other feature. If you want to turn off day limit, you can also set a daily limit. We will remind you to close Facebook when you spend this amount of time in a day. We will also let you know when you are close to reaching the limit. So choose a time limit, daily time limit. After that you will receive a reminder. Tap on save. If you cross this daily limit, then Facebook will remind you to close your Facebook app. If you want to turn off sleep mode, simply turn off daily limit as well as sleep mode. That's all.